Kain guys.
Ay, may kape ako dito, guys.
Nagdala ako kape.
Yung papuntas ng ano.
Wala, ba't ganyan? May gatas na nga tayong dinala.
Ha? Hindi, nagdala lang ako sa kalang kailangan. Nasaan na natin? Oh.
Ay, wait lang. We're going to make iced coffee. I'm so hungry talaga.
Bakit pwedeng itinda ko?
Isa-isa na. Kalabasan ang pagtimpla. Guys, huwag kayong magpapabunot ng bagang ha. Kasi ang hirap kumain pag walang bagang talaga.
Guys, nabukasan na ni Bininika. Dapat dalawa. Sorry kapag gumaganon kasi natatapon eh. Dapat pinipidyo na mismo yung paggawa.
To fit your bird.
Mali ako. Dapat after ng bago na ano yan?
Yeah.
Baboy? Okay lang yun, hindi na ako mag-catch-up.
No?
And then, it's okay.
No?
Bakit?
First is coffee.
Kasi yaman yung pressure yung ginagawa ko yung tuloy-tuloy na.
Kasi yun natin tubig. Isama ka dyan.
Dito ba?
Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. No, I ain't gonna comb my hair. Cause I ain't going anywhere. No, 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 no. I'll just strut in my birthday suit and let everything hang loose. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Where's the Richies?
Kanina ay naalala mo bang bigla na lang nawala?
Wala.
Patay Ay, kadiha. Asit ng tamis naman na. Sobra naman.
Eh, kanta tayo, te. Baka may lag kayo sa bukas.
Hindi, yung parang ano na. Tapon.
No.
Hindi, may wipes naman. Ano yan May tissue kayo?
Wipes lang.
Hindi yung yung scratch paper.
Lagay mo kayo muna sa heater, sa loob ng heater. Ang tubig. Pwede naman tubig lang naman eh. Wait lang.
No. Dapat yung puro kote. Ano ko na, tatay mo.
Ang first ko dyan, te.
Out of the blue.
Living in the way I never want
Uy, broken kayo?
Self-denial is a game of strength I don't want to there was you. Pahiya ko doon Ayoko na naman kasali.
Bakit iba?
Hindi ba? Tama yun. So I don't understand. It's why I'm feeling so bad now. When I know it was my idea. Why am I the only one standing stranded on the same ground?
Parang di ko alam, diretso to saan na ito patuma eh.
Guys, masters. Paano?
Dapat, karaoke, para salit-salitan tayo. Para pag may gusto kong iba sa akin, kay Melay. Para tayo lahat.
Cheers.
Nagmamagay para buli ng hindi nga eh. Alam nyo, yan yung paglagyan nyo, yung isa yung...
Ano niya?
Broken ka ba?
Wag yung karaoke kasi yung pangit pag walang mic. Sa'yo lang. Sa'yo lang pangit. Tell me why you're feeling this way. I hate to see you so down, no, baby. Is it your heart? Oh, that's breaking through. Walang nakakasakit. Making you cry.
Parang siya lang ata yung may karapatang umansin. Sige lang.
Is there anything that I can do?
Dara, didig mo.
Tell me where it hurts, now, baby. And I'll do my best to make it better. Yes, I'll do my best to make those tears all go away.
No way.
Tell me where it hurts, no, tell me. And I love you with love so tender. I wanna feel it. Sige.
Sige.
Okay. Sige.
Nahuli pa.
Okay.
Okay, sa'yo.
Okay kayo.
Okay.
Okay kayo.
Uy, pang broken niya.
There was heaven in my heart.
February ano ngayon? 14.
Hindi undas yan sa kanya. Okay kayo.
Alam mo, minsan si Kissy tandingan na lang siguro mag-adjust sa tono.
I was hurt. I really wanted to forget yesterday, and I pray that you will stay.
Mali!
But then you're
Baba na, bubos na.
gone, oh, so far
Sigurado ko hindi ka
away.
rinig dun.
Hindi. Wala rin.
I was afraid it's
Sarap ng ganito. Ano ko ngayon
I
mag-insist?
wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurt from within. I have learned to live my life without you. Maybe I'll just keep
Iba yung lyrics.
tonight.
Ito na lang.
Till my heart is out.
Ganon.
Maybe I drink too much.
Bala ka yan, basta ako busog ako.
But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that are always sound, words only you would hear. Only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Shouldn't have made
Puti kayo dalawa.
when you look in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know we can give away what I do. And I whisper this word as you let it come aside. I love you. You love me.
Kita nyo naman siguro kasi talagang patay na patay. Patay na patay, oh.
This.
These three words that could change our lives forever.
Patay ko, wala ka nakainom ah.
And I promise that now we will always be together. Till the end of time.
Ito, nag-adjust na lang yung ano.
Sabi niya, kinilig siguro sa ating nanay. Okay lang yan.
Na-depress na nga ako. Parang ayoko na mabuhay.
Pakatay mo naman kami, parang ikaw lang yung karapat ang kumantay. Kanina pa ako nag-aapang eh. Ang pwesto ng ano ko, parts ko. Sige na,
Ayan na, ayan na.
But nobody can move.
Di ba?
Paano nag-jet to? Just like sometimes before. Then when I word I handed me this letter.
Uy, baka mama ko naman ang dito.
When I always find a way to your heart. Say I love you.
Patay talaga to sa akin. Nakakainis.
Patayin ko na
They say you love me too.
Huwag mo ko hawakan. Baka may meron kang virus.
They could change our lives forever.
Oo, sige.
And I promise you that we will always be together. Till the end of time. Mama yan!
mga tao doon sa labas. Sabi, sino kaya yung nagwawala dito?
Ikaw na mamili.
Wala akong karapat ah.
Ikaw na nga.
Yung kanina.
Sana tatawag siya mamaya.
Huwag ka nang masa, kaya ka nasasaktan. Tingnan mo ako.
Sabi niya, sabi niya kasi kagabi nag-away kami kagabi.
Kayo?
Oh, sabi niya, call ako. Oh,
Bag ko. Akala ko I love you. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics eh.
I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move and knew.
Galing pa talaga.
Should've known.
Ang galing mo.
Feel the way that I do. Exchange our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time.
Starbucks na, di ba sabi mo?
Starbucks yan.
Hello, ang cute! Ang cute! Taran! Cute ka. May mga unggoy, oh. Unggoy, unggoy.